Music. Welcome to my Comporium Internet Provider Review. Find service plans and links in the description below. Comporium serves parts of South Carolina and North Carolina, offering residential and business internet plans. Known for reliability and diverse options, Comporium offers speeds from casual browsing to heavy business use. They offer a great plan selection, including fiber optic and cable internet ranging from 100 megabits per second to 1 gigabit per second. Fiber plans deliver faster, more stable connections, ideal for busy households or businesses needing consistent high speeds. Some Comporium plans include security bundles with antivirus software and parental controls, a big plus for families and small businesses. Their Zipstream gigabit service delivers ultra-fast speeds up to 1 gigabit per second, perfect for seamless streaming, gaming, or working from home. Comporium also serves rural areas, bridging the connectivity gap in underserved regions. Availability may vary. Comporium excels in customer service, blending local and remote support. Their mobile app lets you manage your account, pay bills, and troubleshoot issues easily. While reliable, Comporium can be pricier than competitors, and coverage is limited. In short, Comporium is a solid option within its service area, especially for those wanting versatile plans, strong support, and added security. While not always the cheapest, their quality service and added benefits make them reliable. Check the links below to explore plans and see if Comporium is right for you.